Hi, I'm Sam,
I'm Rafe.
and welcome to Scaredy Cats.
Okay. New game. I don't want to go insane, so it's a normal, probably.
We're noobs. So this contains violence and gore, obviously. So,
Not for children.
yeah.
Oh. I'm so stupid. It's just sitting there.
Honestly.
Press A to start, fuckhead. Well.
Okay. September 17th.
No, don't read all that. Nobody cares about that. Read the thing.
Fine. You don't know me. I have to make this click. There might be monitoring.
Maybe I should read it. Okay, keep going.
I didn't realize what the word was. Okay, shut up. I did 2 weeks of software consult. Murkoff.
Psychiatric.
You read it.
Psychiatric systems facilities and Mount Massive. All sorts of NDAs I'm very much breaking right now, but seriously, fuck those guys. Terrible things happening there. Don't understand it. Don't believe half the things I saw. Doctors say I'm just as bad as you. Talking about dream therapy, going way too deep. Put a word in there. Finding something that had been waiting for them in the mountain. People are being hurt and Murkoff is making money. It needs to be exposed.
Dun, dun, dun.
So, like, he must have done other shit like this, like, breaking into buildings to investigate shit. Okay, oh my Jesus!
We never saw that before.
Oh yeah, we watched you people play this, so we kind of know what we're getting ourselves into.
Yep.
But we've never actually, it's different watching people and then playing it yourself.
Yeah, which is why
I
Sam
do
is in
like
control.
the contrast there. I'm stalling. Let's go. Oh, we can't. Look, come on, let's.
Okay. We'll go back home now.
You're gonna open magically?
There it is. Start feeling sick just looking at this place. Mount Massive Asylum shut down amid scandal and government secrecy in 1971. Respond by
Reopen.
whatever they thought they could get out of this place has to be big. Might finally be the story that breaks the best.
Oh, so he knows it's not abandoned. He's stupid.
Honestly,
Also, you're terrible at reading.
so are you.
Not as terrible though. I had to tell you some of the words in that, which I'm obviously happy to do because I'm a know-it-all. Ooh, it makes it like a yee noise.
I don't think we ever heard that.
What if there was just a face? What?
That
We
would
have
be
to find,
scary.
like, come on, there's gotta be a face in one of these. And it's not the well-lit door either. They trick you with that. You gotta climb the fucking scaffolding.
Yeah.
Yeah, I already know how to zoom out, thanks. I don't need you.
We knew that already.
No, I figured it out by myself. Like, come on. What are you doing, sir? You could do other things for money if you're desperate. This go in here? No? Oh, okay.
And then I think you walk along that bit. No, turn around. That bit there,
Oh, duh, God.
honestly. Aren't you glad I'm sitting here to help you?
Yeah, I mean, it's better than you reading, I guess. Window?
Yeah,
Yes.
right there.
Why would you do this?
No.
Like, that's me gone out. How do you do the, the icon? No, the light.
The light. Where's the light?
Oh, good. I just wasted some bit. It's great. It's good. That's him breathing. What is R?
What do you mean, RB?
No, RB is putting it up.
Maybe you keep hold of it.
Oh, the trigger. I'm so stupid. God.
This is our first time. Don't judge us.
We'll just cut it out so we look smart. Conveniently blocked with office supplies.
Wonder why. Wait, turn around again.
Why?
Go forward.
Why?
I thought there's a shadow all the way back there. I thought it was a person. See that shadow
it's
right
just the
there?
door.
Yeah.
See, that's blood right there. That blood. Isn't that not like? No, don't put it away. God. Oh, that's terrifying.
Oh, I hear it creaking. Oh god.
It didn't scare me because I remembered it. Books. Sorry, whenever I see a book, I have to stare lovingly at it.
Even if it's about creepy shit.
Especially if it's about creepy shit.
Oh, blood.
If a book can scare you, that's a good book. Look, there's a fucking handprint with blood on it. You think that's like special effects or something?
Hey mom, look at this blood print. You're like
Are you
Batman.
showing your mother Hi mom, want to preview my news story?
She could work with them.
She used to work with him.
Dun, dun, dun. Nobody knows what happened. Because she probably went here first.
That doesn't make any sense. Stop saying things. Despite Billy's claims that he discovered the truth in the blood dreams of Dr. Traeger. Alright then.
Oh, somebody needs to go to the bathroom a bit.
Oh, I can't even open it.
But you need to go to the bathroom now because that happened. Rude. Hey, maybe you should, go on there.
I don't want to. That's fresh blood.
It could be a rat.
Your face could be a rat.
How could you say that to my adorable little face? I don't want to see a spider in this.
What was that? There was a noise.
Probably someone coming into the room we just were in.
Oh my god. See, this is the point of no return. I remember that.
Yeah.
Because you can't get back up to it because you're a little baby who can't jump. And from now on, you are fucked. Ooh, Reese, it's the library. You remember what happens in the library.
I'm not gonna shoot myself.
I did anyway. Fuck.
Shame. And then remember what also happens?
This guy, he's not dead.
They killed us. They got out. The barrier. Get the fuck out of here.
Oh no, shit. Bye.
I don't want to.
Dilly.
I don't want to.
You have to.
How do you crouch again?
B?
B? Yes, it's B. This bitch is pissing himself. Well, sorry, he's not a bitch. I would be crying. He's actually keeping it pretty good because I just sit in the library or the vents or something, crying and pissing myself simultaneously.
Yeah, we definitely need to go to the bathroom now.
Battery. That's horrible. High five, man.
Nice piece of art.
Ooh, that's a scary one. We can't go in there. When the little dot gets bigger. Nah.
So sad. How do you think he's crouched right now? Just probably awkwardly crouch walking.
See, like, where the fuck were you, to be honest?
No, I did not like that.
Can't move that fast. I was watching you.
I don't like that.
Who are you?
Creepy.
Mm-hmm.
Like that's horrible to wake up to. Like something found you, you know?
I see. Merciful God, you
I'm gonna take your expensive equipment.
guard your life, son. You have a calling.
Oh, yay, we had a calling.
Well, I mean, why else would he be here?
That's true.
He wants to know all the things. And now he knows too many
His
things.
hands are so clean for being around blood.
Are you gonna read it or me? Have I shamed you?
Yeah, he has shamed me.
Fine.
Okay, I'll read it. I'm inside, bodies everywhere. Blood, burn marks. Heads lying down like bottles behind a bar. Rakoff's long time MOH.
No,
MO.
MO has
I knew that. MO has been to profit off the
exploitation.
exploitation
Hello.
of supposed charity. Oh no, the reading thing. Yay!
The joys of being Wraith. Okay, these documents kind of have big words, so I'll read them, and then you can read his little scribbles.
Haha.
Oh, it's a person.
Yup. Wait, he can hear our footsteps. Oh god.
I
Oh,
forgot about him. Does he come over here?
mm-mm. That's where the storage room is. You need the key card first.
Where's that? Do you remember?
Pretty sure it's in the computer room.
Well, yeah, but where's that, you dolt?
Go back out.
Oh, hang on, can we see these?
Okay.
What's behind? Door number 2. That. Yeah, I'm sure witnessing. Yep, that's literally the same hand. Well, I mean, like, you know,
It's probably the other hand of the other.
the other hand.